Let's decorate pillow boxes with origami hearts. We will use post-it notes to make the hearts. Fold a post-it note diagonally. The sticky side should be on the inside. Bring the right point of the triangle to the center of the triangle. Next, fold the paper into a square, bringing the other 2 points of the triangle to the right-hand side. Turn the square over. Fold the 2 triangles on the right, folding them inwards, towards the center of the square. Next, fold the triangles again, folding a small part of each of the triangle only, diagonally. This will be the top of the heart. And finally, fold the bottom corner and the top corner, towards the center, forming small triangles again. Assemble a pre-folded pillow box. Simply push the flaps inside, following the pre-folded lines. Glue the origami onto the box. You could fill the box with sweets, or place a small gift inside.